What's happening, beautiful people? I hope you all are doing fantastic today. My name is Jim, and welcome to the channel. Here, we review smart home product devices, tech, and gadgets that can help make our lives a little bit easier. So, if you're interested in videos like that, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on that notification bell. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to do a detailed review of the Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones. Now, these headphones have been making waves in the audio community together with its successor, the XM5. Yes, there is an upgraded version of this, but the XM4 is still available for sale. So let's get to it. First, let's check out what's inside the box. Alright, so let's check out what's inside the box. Okay, so look at this. Alright, so this is what will show up. So easy setup, download the app, power on your headphones and connect via the app. So there's the QR for the app. Alright, here is the case. Let's put this on the side first. And some documentation. So what is this? Ooh, Sony 360 Reality Audio Music Service. Free trial. Alright. That. Okay, let's put this inside here. And then we'll check this one. Ooh, I like the case. It's very, I think it's soft, but it's still hard in that sense. It can still protect your headset, but I like it. And it has that mini pouch in the back there. Ooh, look at that. Sony gold or bronze. Let me guess. I think the color is also the same. Yeah, right there. Okay. So this is it right here. So first we have cables, and then we have the airplane adapter and a USB-C port. USB-C cable right there. That's the USB charger. Is that the one? Nope, that's not the one. Those are mics. I think they're mics. Okay, so let's see. Nice. So this is it. There's the USB-C port for charging, and there's another cable or a jack for this one. All right. So those are 3 holes. What are those? Oh, yeah. So okay. I see. So we have one button here, one button there, the LED, and another LED here, and that's pretty much it. Let's see. Ooh, this thing is soft. Ooh, look at that. I don't know what that is. Cool. Alright, that is soft. Yeah, I like it. And, yep, okay. Nice. So far, so good. So, it has the R for right and L for left. I wonder what that is. We'll find out. Alright, so, it has also a near field sensor, so that's cool. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to try this out and see, how well this works. Now, let's take a closer look at the design and comfort of the Sony WH-1000XM4. And moving forward, I'll be calling these just XM4. So these headphones feature a sleek and modern design with premium finish. They're available in different color options to suit your personal style. When it comes to comfort, Sony has done an excellent job. The ear cups are cushioned with plush memory foam, providing a snug and comfortable fit. The headband is also adjustable, ensuring a perfect fit for any head size. And I can attest to this, you can wear these headphones for hours without feeling any discomfort. and I really like that. Now, moving on to the sound quality, the XM4 headphones truly shine in this department. They deliver a rich and immersive audio experience thanks to the powerful drivers and the advanced audio technologies using the app. The sound is well balanced with crisp highs, detailed mids, and punchy bass. Whether you're listening to your favorite music, watching movies, or even gaming, these headphones will transport you to a whole new level of audio bliss. One of the standout features of the Sony XM4 is their industry-leading noise cancellation. Sony has incorporated their advanced dual noise sensor technology, which captures ambient noise and cancels it out effectively. Whether you're in a busy office, on a plane, or in a crowded cafe, you can enjoy your music without any disturbances. Additionally, these headphones come with some fantastic features like adaptive sound control, which automatically adjusts the noise cancellation settings based on your surroundings. There's also a handy quick attention mode allowing you to instantly lower the volume and let in outside sound when needed. So next is about the battery life and connectivity. The XM4 headphones offer an impressive battery life of up to 30 hours on a single charge, which is perfect for long trips or extended listening sessions. They also support quick charging, giving you around 5 hours of playback with just 10 minutes of charge. When it comes to connectivity, these headphones feature Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless pairing. They also support high quality audio codecs, ensuring you get the best audio experience with minimal latency. Lastly, I can actually say that these are smart headphones. These headphones offer integration with both Google Assistant and Amazon. With the built-in voice assistant support, you can easily access and control your smart devices, get answers to questions, play music, set reminders, and perform various tasks using voice commands. So these headphones have dedicated buttons that allow you to activate Google Assistant or Amazon depending on your preferences. This integration adds another level of convenience to your audio experience, allowing you to stay connected and control your smart home devices without needing to reach for your phone or your smart speaker. So to wrap things up, the Sony XM4 headphones are a true powerhouse when it comes to audio quality, comfort, and noise cancellation. So whether you're a music enthusiast, a frequent traveler, or someone who simply wants to enjoy their audio without any distractions, these headphones have got you covered. Alright, beautiful people, that is it for this video. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share this video. And if you haven't, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on that notification bell. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye!